The waterfalls are so beautiful and it's so worth it. Okay, so now we're at Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall. I have never been here before and it's not a popular place, so we'll check it out. On the way to the waterfall they have coffee growing, so cool. Like, wow, look, check it out.
I couldn't see the forest for the trees. You showed me hide and seek, where finders keep. You found me.
One thing that I really like here is they do take care of the path. They planted so many cool flowers here. Bawa waterfall, one waterfall, two waterfalls, spray waterfall. Yay! And the entrance costs 10,000 rupiah for all 4 waterfalls around here. Yeah, waterfalls are really cool. Good Instagrammable waterfalls. And it looks so nice, and it doesn't look asphalty. It's like you walk on earth, so it feels natural. Unfortunately, we don't have time to look at them all. We only had time to look at the first waterfall and then just glance on the second one, and now we have to go back. So yeah, it's not easy, but it's so fucking cool here.